Hi, welcome back to Raunchy Reality Recaps. Now in this video we're going over Ryan Edwards and Mackenzie Edwards from Teen Mom. Now recently the Sun put out an article with video of Mackenzie meeting up and talking with Ryan at his halfway house. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video that they got and then we'll read the article. Okay, so that's basically it. A couple of images of them talking, and they say in the article that they were being flirtatious and it was a heated argument. I mean, I seen Mackenzie like use her hands a lot with the gesticulations and everything, but I mean, some people just gesticulate, use their hands a lot. So I don't think it was as heated as they're like trying to describe it. But let's get into the article. It says he was ordered to Oasis Halfway House, which is on the same property as his rehab, during a Monday, August 14th court hearing after completing a 28-day program treatment. Now, I will say that Ryan does look a lot healthier, so you can kind of tell he's sober right now, because if we remember that video where they caught him they went to his work and arrested him there, like he looked bad, like he do look bad, okay? And you can tell like with his other raiment after he got just passed out at the wheel and they had to give him an Narcan and everything, and after his court where he showed up after that one, he still wasn't looking as healthy as he does now and at his last two court appearances. So you can definitely definitely see there's a change, and he's probably sober right now, just like on his outward appearance alone. So yeah, they talked a little bit, and you know, it's been the first time that they've been spotted together in public since she filed a protection order against him and requested a divorce. Now the U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal that shocking new video and photos of Ryan and Mackenzie reuniting for the first time since his legal trouble began in January 2023. Ryan did a lap outside the facility with fellow patient before Mackenzie joined them. The patient then left the exes alone, and as Ryan and Mackenzie did 5 laps on a public sidewalk around, I guess, the Caddis or whatever rehab facility it is, before parting ways. During the walk, the exes had moments of laughs and flirtation, though the two did not touch during the encounter. So she wore her diamond wedding ring while Ryan didn't have his band on. So that is still weird. Like, why is Mackenzie still wearing this wedding ring? Like, at first I thought that, you know, with the video that I put out before of her having the fillers and you could see the ring, I was thinking, well, maybe that was done a long time ago, and you know, now like done a long time ago before they broke up, and now they just posted it. But now I mean, they're coming out and saying, you know, they see Mackenzie with the ring and everything, why she's there, and Ryan doesn't have his band on. So I'm still curious, is it just Mackenzie likes the ring so much? Or is she just not over him? Which, girl, if you going up and seeing another dude having his kids and your kids play together, I think out of respect for the dude that you're kind of seeing right now, which you kind of say you aren't seeing, but yeah, you're going on vacation with him. So to me, for number one, it's kind of disrespectful for this dude that you're seeing if you're actually seeing him. You know what I mean? And number two, like, Ryan's put you through so much stuff. Like you said, that he had a knife against your back, all this stuff he did to the house. Girl, I don't care how much I like a ring. Ain't no way I'm gonna wear that after all that done. If I'm seriously over, over this relationship and it's not getting back together, there is no way I'd be still wearing a ring just because it looks pretty. Like, that man gave it to me. I ain't wearing it. You know what? Let me go take the diamonds out of it and go have somebody make me a new looking ring with the diamonds. I mean, something other than that. Like, girl, I have no idea why this girl's wearing this ring. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. Because it seems like she's ready to move on with this other dude, but then she still has the ring on. So that's what's just confusing me and probably a lot of other people. But you know what? I might just need to mind my own business too. So anyway, let's keep on going. A majority of their interactions involved heated and emotional conversations. Again, from what the video and pictures, I don't see that. And I also don't see flirtation. I see two people having a conversation, and, now and again, she, kind of moves her arms. It doesn't look too heated. I mean, maybe this person that did this article and everything never seen two people, fight, but it looked pretty tame to me. You know what I'm saying? At times, Mackenzie could be seen dropping her arms and her feet and appeared to be frustrated as Ryan spoke. I mean, maybe her arms were just tired from holding him up. I don't know. As for Ryan, he seemed defensive as Mackenzie passionately expressed herself. So I think it's just a conversation, first time they're talking together. He's getting this out sober, all he got to say out sober, and she's finally able to talk to him while he's sober. And probably able to talk to him without him completely blowing up like he would have been if he wasn't sober. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's probably like a conversation that wasn't, all hunky-dory and lovey-dovey, but it was a conversation that needed to be had. But again, I don't see where all the heated arguments coming from. They didn't show that video, okay? So anyways, that's about it. Of course, it says the two did not hug or kiss. Mackenzie left when Mackenzie left her estranged husband. And it says apparently a source close to Mackenzie exclusively told the Sun, which again, people, we can never believe these sources. But it says that despite everything that's happening between them, there are still feelings, which, I mean, yeah, but you still gotta realize that all that happened. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, people still have feelings for people that did them wrong. I mean, that's normal. Yeah, but that looks about it, y'all. So, they were basically walking around the rehab or the halfway house trying to talk to each other, probably, again, for the first time since all this happened, so there's probably a little bit of emotion there. But I still don't know why that girl's wearing a ring. Do y'all know? I mean, it's pretty, but come on. So anywho, so right now we really don't know what's going to go on between them. We don't know if they're going to go their separate ways, if they're going to make up, or have you not. But that's all I wanted to report on here. Now, I also like to say I did see a little bit of news, or actually a lot of websites go on about a thing between Janelle and something along the lines of what happened to our teenage son, something he did. And I would just like to say I'm not going to cover that, because that stuff that kids do, I mean, unfortunately, it happens. Teens do it. And I don't want to put the information out there like that. I don't want to be another person blasting this kid on the internet for something teens just do. You know what I mean? So if y'all want to catch that stuff, definitely. Fortunately, I'm not going to cover it. There's other channels that are. But again, that's the reason. If you want to know why I decided, not to make a video on that, that's why. Because it's a normal thing. Teens do it sometimes. And how many times have a child that I thought about doing that, okay? My sisters did it. I mean, I know friends, their teens do it. So again, I'm just not going to cover it. But y'all have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.